Hi, I'm Teri MacArthur with the Woodlands Township Environmental Services Department. I often get asked how much water it takes to have a healthy, lush lawn, and in truth, the answer is only an inch a week in our climate. Any more than that, and you end up with shallow roots or oversaturated soils and a much greater potential for insect or disease damage to your lawn. So today we're going to talk about one way to prevent overwatering your lawn, and that is installing a rain sensor on your system controller. So whether you have your system set for running automatically or whether you only turn it on when you want to irrigate the grass, rain happens. So what our sensor does is it prevents the system from turning on if it has just rained within the last day or two, or if the system's already running and your sprinklers are on and it begins to rain, the sensor turns the system off. So it's a good thing. It's pretty simple to install, and your lawn will be happier for it. So let's take a look at how to install it.
Hello, I'm Dale from Alspa Ace Hardware of the Woodlands, and more people are coming in asking questions, why is my lawn turning brown? Well, one of the reasons is overwatering, and to solve that, this is what we did to help you get rid of your brown problem. So anyway, we install a sensor up here. It's a rain sensor, which will cut off your sprinklers. Even when you're sleeping at night, your sprinklers are on, and then it rains during the night, so you get all that water. So this will catch some water in here and shut your sprinklers completely off. And then they will stay off for a couple days until that little sensor dries out, and then you'll get your water again. But anyway, mount your sensor on the eave if you can, out where it can catch the rain, and then run your wire through into where your controller box is. Okay, and from the sensor, you'll see the wire come in, find your control box, and take the cover open. And usually you can unplug, it's a low voltage wire, but you usually, if you can, unplug it before you work with the electrical wires. But anyway, there should be a spot in there that says SENS, or it spells out sensor. That's where the sensor will plug into. And if it doesn't have one, just follow your directions in here. It'll have the ground, the common, and then you hook the wire to the common. But anyway, just insert your wires into your sensor module right here, and that's all there is to it, and it's ready to go.
So now you know how easy it is to install a rain sensor on your own. And it's only one of many ways you can prevent overwatering. If you want more ways, one good example is the weekly watering recommendation from Woodlands Water Agency. If you simply go to woodlandswater.org, as you look at that website, scroll down on the right side of the page, there's a spot that says Get Updates. Enter your email address and a little more information, and you'll start getting those weekly recommendations about whether you need to water at all or how much water to use. So the beauty of it is that the recommendations are based on the data from a network of monitors right here locally. They measure humidity, rainfall, and evapotranspiration levels. And so the recommendations are suitable for that week's watering or not. You don't have to be a customer of Woodlands Water to get the updates. So if you live anywhere in our area, I would strongly urge you to consider signing up, starting to get those weekly email recommendations, and I promise you your lawn will thank you for it. And I thank you for spending a few minutes with us today to find out just how easy it is to install a rain sensor. If you'd like more information about classes or other events offered by Environmental Services Department, just go to our website. The address is shown on your screen.